In last video, we introduced the finals in Chinese pinyin. So this video will help you to master the consonants in Chinese pinyin, the initials. Then you'll probably be an expert of Chinese pronunciation. I simply divided it into two groups. Let's see the first group. Almost the same as consonants in English, right? The only thing we need to pay attention to is that in English we have something like the vocal cord, like the vibration. For example, b, d, g, and something with air like p, k, t. But those are not existed in Chinese initials. So they just sound like bo, po, de, t, g, k, h, f, m, n, l. Easy, right? And the second group, actually, except for the last four, we can almost find similar sounds for each in English. So firstly, let's see the first line. Ji, qi, xi. Ji here is like J in change. And qi here is like ch in church. And xi here is like sh in fish. But one thing to pay attention to that when we do this, we have to lower our tongue. Just don't roll it onto the up part of your mouth. Just put it down. Let's try it again. From J to J, and from ch to ch, and from sh to xi. So ji, qi, xi. And the second line, zi, ci, si, yi, wu. So zi here is like z in cars, and ci here is like c in eats, and si here is like s in say. But we need just to pay attention to the slightly difference. Let's do it together again. Zi, ci, si. And yi, wu is almost the same with yi, wu in English. So let's move to the last line, and also the most difficult ones. Actually, the sound is almost like the z, c, s. But when we do these finals, we need to roll up our tongue, and do it like this. Zhi, chi, shi. The last one, r here, is the same position of zhi, chi, shi, but the sound is like z, this, z, in this. So it would be r, r, r. Got it? Don't worry if you can't remember all of this at one time. You can just come back to check later on. And if this video helps, would you please give me a like? Next video, we'll go get to the real thing in pinyin. How to put initials and finals together, and how to read a real Chinese word. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video. Bye!